this video, I'm going to show you how you can direct message in ClickUp. So if you want to send a colleague or a team member a direct message, it is pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into your ClickUp account and then go to your workspace here. Under this, you should be able to see direct messages on your sidebar here. Now go ahead and click on this plus to add a new message, and this will go ahead and take you to a list of all the members on your workspace. Go ahead and choose the account or the email of the person you want to direct message. Once you have selected all of them, if you want to select quite a more, you can go ahead and separate this with commas and write their emails, or you can just pick their names. Then go ahead and write message, and this message will be sent directly to them when you send. And by doing so, I'll have direct messaged this contact. So that's how you can direct message in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.